Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get the survey link in SurveyMonkey. For that we go to create survey and then we go to start from scratch and then we create a quick survey right here. So the title is Q and then we do done and then we do right here done again, and then after that I want to click on save and then we enter a question Q. There we go, and then the first question is Q, and then we do save right here. Now we want to publish this survey right here, and we want to get that survey link. So what we're going to do is we click here on publish survey, and then he will send us right here to this page. Then what you're going to do is survey published, here is your link, and then we can click right here on copy, and then right now if we go to a new tab and copy that link right here, you see right here that this is the link to our survey. If you're already having a survey, then what you can do is click right here on the survey name, and then you can click from here on publish survey. There we go. And then you will find the link again right here standing on the left. So this is how to get your survey link in SurveyMonkey. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.